Here are today's biggest stories in tech. Databricks has completed a $5 billion funding round, pushing its valuation to $190 billion. The data and AI company's latest capital infusion highlights strong investor confidence in its platform as the agentic AI wave gains momentum. This positions Databricks for continued expansion in enterprise AI solutions.
OpenAI-backed Thrive Holdings has successfully raised $2 billion in new funding, achieving a $12 billion valuation. Led by investors like SoftBank and D1 Capital, this substantial capital injection will accelerate Thrive's mission to integrate advanced AI solutions into large enterprises. The investment underscores the growing demand for AI in business operations.
Tesla is planning a significant $10 billion investment to construct a new solar factory in Texas. The company is currently seeking state incentives to help offset the massive development costs. This move aligns with Tesla's broader energy strategy and aims to expand its renewable energy manufacturing capabilities. Form Energy has secured $750 million in new funding to scale up production of its innovative 100-hour grid-scale batteries. With Google and Crusoe already signed as customers, this capital will expand manufacturing. The long-duration storage technology is crucial for stabilizing renewable energy grids. Nova Quantum has unveiled a bare metal large language model kernel packaged in a compact 41-megabyte ISO that boots without an operating system. This low-level software breakthrough aims to optimize LLM performance and efficiency by eliminating OS overhead. It could significantly impact specialized AI hardware development. A new test explored how 5 different AI coding harnesses produced varied results from identical prompts using the same underlying model. The findings highlight challenges in achieving consistent outputs across different AI integration layers. This research emphasizes the complexity of A new test explored how 5 different AI coding harnesses produced varied results from identical prompts using the same underlying model. The findings highlight challenges in achieving consistent outputs across different AI integration layers. This research emphasizes the complexity of reliable AI system deployment. Instagram has revealed a new word mark, updating its iconic cursive typeface used for over a decade. The refreshed logo blends elements of print and cursive, marking a significant branding change for the popular social media platform. This update reflects an ongoing evolution in the app's visual identity. A maker successfully built a $500,000 domain search engine over a single weekend, costing just $10. This impressive project demonstrates what's possible with rapid prototyping and minimal resources. The creation highlights the power of individual innovation in software development. That's your tech for today.